Many companies recommend checking your tire pressure once a month, as having low tire pressure can result in damaged treads and possibly a flat tire. The first thing you need to do to check your tire pressure is acquire a tire pressure gauge. These can be digital, pencil style, or analog. Then look for the tire information sticker often found on the inside of the driver's door. Check the pounds per square inch or PSI number that your tires should have. Next, remove the cap from the valve stem. Insert the tire pressure gauge and check the display to see if you are under, over, or meet the PSI number found on your tire information sticker. If you need to fill your tire with air, many gas stations have air pumps. Follow the instructions found on the air pump machine and fill your tire with air. Many gas station air pumps have gauges built onto the hose, such as the one you see here, that help you check your tire pressure as you fill it up with air.